Thanks, babe. Skidoo came out with this Exome helmet a couple of years ago, and it is a really nice option at a lower price. So what we're gonna do is a full unboxing video. We're gonna go through some of the key features on this helmet, and it might make sense for you. Let's check it out.
Sled Addicts is brought to you by Team Vincent Motorsports, Bergstrom Carbines, Ledger Performance, Westway Motel, Studboy Studs, and Radio World.
Hey guys, welcome back to the garage, and we've got another great video planned for you today. If you've been watching any of the videos in the past, you guys know that we love helmets. And one of the things, I got some feedback from a buddy of mine last year, and he said, you know, you guys are always featuring those upper echelon, top tier model helmets. And maybe not everybody can afford to spend $1,000 these days on a helmet. So what we did this year, we decided to try something new and throw a different helmet into the mix. Skidoo came out with this Exome helmet a couple of years ago, and it is a really nice option at a lower price. So what we're gonna do is a full unboxing video. We're gonna go through some of the key features on this helmet, and it might make sense for you. Let's check it out. Nice. So like most good quality helmets, you're always going to get a really nice helmet cover, and Skidoo does a great job of providing actually like a really thick and protective helmet cover with all of their helmets. So no surprise there, really great to see that. And obviously with this one, so with it being the Radiant helmet, that means electric visor. So it's got a dual pane electric visor. Here's your cord for it. And then the last piece of the puzzle are these diaphragms for the breath mask system that they have for this helmet, and we'll review that in a little bit of detail as well. All right, so let's take it out of the helmet cover here. We'll give you guys a first look. Now, I opted for a red one, and at first look with this helmet, it's a beautiful matte finish with black and some red accents in it. Really, really nice overall. The black with the red looks awesome. And again, this one is going to be for those who love those modular style helmets. This one opens right up, and you can see the breath mask system that they've got here as well. And the cool thing with this is it's actually on a magnet. Pretty easy to, you know, put on and off, which is pretty slick. Now, in the past, I didn't run the old BVS2 style helmets, and this is a very similar system that they have for that helmet. I never ran it. I am curious about it, so I'm going to give it a shot with this one. So some of the other features that I really like about the Exome, firstly with this helmet, is I noticed that all of the adjustable vents and sun visor system have a really nice lip on them, so that'll make it really easy to get to with gloves on. So same thing on the side here is going to be the adjustment for the drop down visor. It's a really, really easy to find slider, so it'll be great with gloves on. That should be very easy to get at. All right, so obviously with the Exome helmet, this is a modular design helmet, so the full front opening, or when you have it closed, if you just want to open the visor, you can do that as well, just like a normal style helmet. So that's really what you're getting with the Exome helmet. And again, for those who are kind of used to those modular style helmets, to really have kind of a wide open front area, allows you to obviously get at sandwiches, food, drinks really easily. This is going to be the answer. Now, the one thing that I love about the Exome is it actually comes with a removable peak as well. So For me personally, I always enjoyed helmets that have peaks. I like some of the MX style helmets. Really the best thing about them is when you're riding into the sun, you can easily tilt down your head, and that way you can block out any of the sun. And for afternoons on the trail, it's a really nice feature to have. So I quite like it. But the cool thing with the Exome is 2 quick screws on either side, and you can pop the visor off if you prefer the look, and not having the visor on the helmet as well. So totally optional and up to you. You've got a nice front vent here. Like I said, the adjustment with the clip is really nice. It's a thick lip on it, very easy to get at. And then you've also got 2 more adjustments actually on the top of the helmet, which are gonna also help with some airflow that open and close. So you can adjust those as well. So you're also going to get a pack of diaphragms for the breath evac system. And again, this system's been around for quite some time now. I didn't get to try it on the old BVS2 helmets, but the idea is it's going to cover just kind of like a jet fighter style. You know, it's going to cover up your nose and your mouth, and it's going to deflect that air away from the helmet. Now, every now and then you're going to want to change these up. You know, they get soggy, they might get frozen. You're going to want to switch these out. I think the biggest thing is probably going to be just around odor, just because it's so close to the mouth, and that whole area just gets, you know, lots of condensation from your breath. So you're going to want to swap those out every now and then. And it's also adjustable as well. So you can actually turn this knob, and that will adjust, you know, how much suction it actually gets over top of your nose and mouth. So it's a pretty cool system. Like I said, haven't tried it personally, but certainly looking forward to seeing what that's all about. The biggest thing, obviously, is ensuring that you're not going to get a fogging visor. Now, I think the fact that this you know, helmet covers a couple of different features that are going to help to prevent that is actually quite nice. So the combination of having an electric shield as well as this breath evac system is hopefully going to ensure that there's no fogging at all with the shield. So you've got your sun visor included as well, which is a really nice feature to have in any helmet. I always love and appreciate those on those sunny days, and pretty easily deployed, you know, with the slider on the side. And then, you know, when you flip it over, if you look at the system that they use, it's a really easy kind of a quick connect latching system that goes around the chin. Should make it very easy to kind of do these up and get them off, even actually with gloves on, I would think in this case, because there's kind of a little sort of tag end that hangs off of this piece here, and you can literally do it, you know, pretty quickly, pretty easily. So I think it's a pretty slick system, and should really make it easy for putting the helmet on and getting it off. All right, folks, that takes care of just the initial unboxing on this Skidoo Exome Radiant Sport helmet. I'm certainly excited to give it a shot. And again, the nice thing about this helmet is it comes in kind of around that $300 Canadian mark. So it's a reasonably priced helmet for those that might be on a bit of a tighter budget. And you know, I'm looking forward to trying it this year and putting some miles on it. And we're gonna come back to you guys after we've actually you know, been able to use it for a bit and put some miles on different weather conditions, see what we like about it, see what we don't like about it, and we'll come back to you guys with another review from the trail. As always, appreciate you guys watching. Make sure you're liked and subscribed to the channel. We'll see you guys on the next video.